Yamaha Jet Boat Day at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm showing you the 2024 Yamaha AR 195S series. This boat is a 19-foot boat with water sports tower. Includes the single axle trailer. Has a beautiful blue full hull color with a white top deck and a black tower. Gorgeous color scheme on this boat. If you're not familiar with the S series and the 19-foot, this boat is loaded with features. C-deck matting on the back transom, stereo controls, built-in cup holders. Let's climb inside, see everything it's got to offer. Nice recessed area for a transom walkthrough. That cushion is removable, so you can have a true walkthrough all the way. The 195S series boasts a captain and co-captain's chair with rear wraparound seating, dedicated cooler storage. It's got the snap-in C-deck flooring. The 195S series has the larger digital touchscreen, the upgraded Bluetooth stereo, ski locker storage, tons of storage for all your beach bags that all your friends will want to bring along. This boat also has a bow filler cushion and a cockpit table. Going up to the bow, you got nice wraparound seating again. Bow cushion going here to make it a full playpen area. Water sports tower has a built-in bimini. This is the nicest of the 19-foot series that's made. Loaded with tons of standard features, extra options. Yamaha reliability, power and performance with the new 1.9 liter 200 horsepower engine, 260 horsepower engine. Looking forward to showing you this boat and all the Yamaha boats that we have in stock now at MarineMax of Greenville. Thank y'all.